think the factory exhaust on the 3rd Gen Tundra hangs down a little too low for off-road use? In this video, we will be replacing the factory exhaust on our 2025 3rd Gen Toyota Tundra with the 6th Element Engineering off-road trail pipe. Let's get this truck off the ground and see what we're working with. For ease of installation, let's go ahead and drop the rear spare tire. Do this by utilizing the OEM spare tire removal tools. Assemble the hook, extendee rod with all of its 3 pieces, and insert into the hole in the chassis right above the license plate. As you are inserting the rod into the truck, there will be a lowering screw that will accept the hook end, kind of in the same manner in which a flathead screwdriver would a slotted screw. Start spinning and watch and wonder as the spare tire lowers and is now out of the way to remove the factory exhaust. All right, let's get this thing off of here. Using a 14mm socket or wrench, remove the 2 nuts that hold the exhaust pipe to the rear of the muffler. Hang on to the factory hardware. It will be reused here momentarily. Next, remove the 2 exhaust hangers. Using a selection of pliers and some lube may help the removal process, unless you have this fancy $14 exhaust hanger removal tool like the one seen here. This step may take a little patience. With some wiggling, remove the factory exhaust and set aside. When installing the 6th Element trail pipe, note the use of the factory exhaust gasket. You may reuse this gasket if you like, but if you lose it, like the one we lost on our Tacoma, it won't be the end of the world. It's now time to reuse the 2 factory 14mm nuts to install the trail pipe. Tighten with 1 ugga-dugga or somewhere around 20 to 25 foot-pounds of torque. And just like that, your install is done. Easy, right? Now raise the spare tire back into position, lower the truck, and admire your sweet, sweet new mod. Not only do you now have better ground clearance, but the truck may have a slightly different exhaust note. Sounds like a win-win to me. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and stay tuned for more updates on all of our Toyota performance parts.